Good morning to everyone, student. Today we are going to start exercise 1.3. Since in the previous video we had already completed definitions, properties of integers, then exercise 1.1, 1.2. Okay, we had already completed all the questions. If you are having any doubt, can ask. Now we are going to start exercise 1.3. So here is the first question. Exercise 1.3, first question, it says that find each of the following product. Find each of the following product. That means what you have to do is you have to multiply product. That means the numbers you have to multiply. So what is the first number we are having? 3 into minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3 itself, isn't it? In the same way, the second B part, minus 1 into 225. So what it will be? 225 will be multiplied with 1. It will be 225 itself. And plus and minus will be what? Minus itself. So sign will be minus. So what will be the answer is? The answer will be minus 225. Have you understood up to here? Now, the next part of the question is the C part. What the C part of the question says? The C part of the questions here, it says that minus 21 into minus 30. You have to multiply minus 21 with minus 30. So minus and minus will be become plus, as you know that. Then 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So what will be the answer is 360 is the answer. Clear up to here? Now in the same way for the D part of the question, what we are having? Minus 360 will be multiplied with minus 1. The answer will be 316 into 1 will be 316 itself, and minus will be plus, isn't it? So what will be the answer we are having? That is 316 is the answer. Now in the same way we are having E part of the question. Since looking the E part of the question, it is very clearly that minus 15 will be multiplied with 0 will be multiplied with minus 18. As we know that when any number is going to multiplied with 0, the answer will become automatically 0 itself. So minus 15 into 0, 0, and then 0 into minus 18 will be 0. Hence the answer will become 0 itself. Okay. Now, F part of the question, minus 12 into minus 11. Okay, minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. So, here 3 numbers are there. So, easily you can multiply, as minus and minus will be plus. Then, 11 into 12 will be what? 12 into 11. Can do the multiplication here. Here 2, here 1, again 2 and 1. So, here 1, 3, 2 is coming, isn't it? Then again multiply with 10. The answer will be 0, 0, 0 into 2, 3, 1. So, while adding, the answer will become 1, 3, 2, 0. And minus will become plus. So, what is the answer we are having? The answer will be 1320 is the required answer for this. Clear, student? Next question we are having G part, that is 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. These are the numbers we are having. Now, we have to multiply the number. So, for that, multiply the number 9 into 3. What is 9 3s is how much? 27. Now, plus and minus will become minus. So, answer will come, whatever the multiplication answer is, that with that answer the minus sign will come, isn't it? So, 9 3s are or 3 9s is 27. With that 27, minus sign will come. So, it will become minus 27, isn't it? Will be multiplied with minus 6. Clear? Now, when it will be multiplied with minus 6, so multiply 6 7s is 42. Now, 6 2s is 12 plus 4 is 16. And minus will become plus. So what is the answer we are getting? The answer will be plus 162. Understood? So in the same way, the h part is also there, that is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. The required answer will be minus 360. Clear everyone? Now the I part, again we are having the I part. Minus 1 will be multiplied with minus 2, will be multiplied with minus 3, will be multiplied with 4. So here it will be minus and minus will become plus. 1 into 2 will be 2 plus 2 into 3 into plus 4 we are having. So the number will become minus 12 after multiplying. Now multiply it again, it will become minus 24. So the required answer is minus 24. Okay. Similarly for the J part, minus 3 into minus 6 will be plus 18. Plus 18 into minus 2 will be 36. Isn't it? Minus 36. Then minus 36 will be multiplied with minus 1. It become plus 36. In this way the question number J part is completed. So what is the answer for the J part is? That is plus 36 is the required answer. So dear student, here just you have to multiply the questions, nothing more than that. As you know that multiplications of the questions take place, only just multiply the number according to your wish. Okay, you can multiply the last two term or middle term, but keep it in mind the signs should be correct in the answer as well as in the question. Now question number 2. Here we are having question number 2. In the question number 2 it is said that verify the following. You have to verify. As you know that verify means LHS and RHS should be equal. If it is not equal, that means the equation is not verified, isn't it? So we have to solve the equation and let's see whether it is verified the equation or not. So first of all we are having the left hand side. LHS part we are having as 18 into plus 7 plus minus 3. This is the LHS part. Let's solve and see whether the LHS part is coming equal to the RHS part or not. Okay. So first 18 into, open the bracket, say plus 7, plus and minus will be minus, isn't it? So 7 minus 3. Now 7 minus 3 is 4. It will be plus 4. Why it is plus 4? Because from among 7 and 3, 7 is a greater number whose sign is plus, isn't it? That's why here the number 4 will be plus. Now 18 into 4 will be how much? 72. So here while solving the LHS part, the answer we are getting as 72. Now let's see the RHS part, whether the answer is coming same or not. What is the RHS part question we are having? 18 into 7, close the bracket, plus 18 into minus 3. This is the question we are having. Now first multiply that. 18 sevens will be 126, can multiply in the rough and see, plus 18 into 3 will be minus 54. Okay, since it is a minus, we are going to write inside the bracket. Now open the bracket, plus and minus will be minus. So 126 minus 54. Okay, 18 sevens is 126, then 18 into minus 3 will be minus 54, plus and minus will be minus. So 126 will be going to multiply, will be subtracted with 54. We will get the answer 72. Okay, plus 72. Why it is plus 72? Because among the number 126 and 54, the number 126 is greater than 54. Okay, so the number which is greater, that sign comes in the answer. So the thing is that you can look LHS and RHS, both where we are getting the answer as 72. LHS is equals to RHS. Here when we had solved the left hand side and the right hand side, we are getting the equal answer as 72 and 72. Hence our question is verified. Clear everyone? Why it is verified? Because both the side our answer is coming same. That's why it is verified. Clear everyone? Now in the same way we are going to see the B part of the question. What is the B part of the question? That is minus 21 into bracket minus 4 plus minus 6. Okay, this is the LHS part. And in the RHS part, minus 21 into minus 4, then plus minus 21 into minus 6, isn't it? So for that, what we have to see, we have to verify it again. So while verifying that number, LHS and RHS part separately you have to verify. So LHS, minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6. Open the bracket first, then minus 21 into minus 4, plus and minus will become minus, isn't it? So minus and minus, it will become minus and minus, it will become plus, isn't it? So here minus 21 into minus 10. Now minus and minus will become plus, so 21 into 10 will be plus 210. 21 into 10, that answer will be 210. Clear? Now in the same way we are going to solve the RHS part also. What is the RHS part we are having? That is minus 21 will be multiplied with minus 4, then addition minus 21 will be multiplied with minus 6. Okay, so minus 21 will be multiplied with minus 4. The answer will become minus and minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 84 while multiplying this number, plus minus 21 into minus 6. Minus and minus will become plus. 6 ones are 6, isn't it? And 6 twos are 12. So it will be 84 plus 126. Now when 84 will be added with 126, the required answer is 210. Okay, so here dear student, the LHS and RHS part, we are again getting the equal answer, that is 210, 210. Hence our answer is verified. Clear everyone how it will be verified? When LHS and RHS both are coming equal answer, that means our answer is verified. And since in the question it is said that verify the following, that means you have to show that. Clear? Now next question we are having. Question number 3. What the question number 3 says here, that first, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a 2 equal to? Have you understood the question? Here the question it is said that for any integer a, minus 1, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? It says that when minus 1 will be multiplied with a, the answer will be obviously a. Okay, when minus 1 will be equal and when the values of 0 rises as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, the answer will come according to that. So only that will be asked in the question. If minus 1 will be multiplied with a, what will be the required answer? Okay, in the second part of the question 3, it is said that determine the integers whose product with minus 1 is. Whose product with minus 1 is, that means determine the integer whose product, that means multiplication. So here minus 1 will be multiplied with minus 22 to get the required answer, isn't it? Whose product with minus 1. In this case you have to look after. So minus 1 will be multiplied with which number to get the answer? Minus 22 it is said. Okay, the answer you have to multiply the number minus 1 with which number to get the answer minus 22. In the B part of the question it is said the same as minus 1 will be multiplied by which number to get the answer 37. Then after minus 1 will be multiplied with which number to get the answer 0. Okay, you have to find that number. So look the solution what is said here. As per the question, there will be 3 cases possible because we can divide the number line among negative integers, positive integers and 0. As we know that student, integers is of 3 types. First is the positive integer, second is the negative integer and third is the neutral, isn't it? So 3 possibilities will be there that we will get the answer as negative, positive and the 0 integer. Okay, when minus 1 will be multiplied with a. Clear? So in the first case, when the value of a will be minus a, first condition. Second condition, when a is 0, and third condition, when a is plus, that means positive integer. Okay, since we are having integer as 3 types of integers are present, positive, negative and neutral, isn't it? So 3, obviously a is an integer, that means 3 conditions will be applied. 3 conditions, that means 3 cases will be applied. Either it will be a positive integer, negative integer or neutral. So let's see what will be the case 1. When a is a negative integer, that means when a will be multiplied with, when minus 1 will be multiplied with minus a, the answer will be a, because minus and minus will become plus and 1 into a will be a. First case. Second case, when a is a 0, so it will be answer minus 1 into 0, 0. And the third case, when a, the value of a will be positive, the answer will be minus 1, minus a. So have you understood the question? So in this way, the 3 conditions will be here. Now the next, determine the integer whose product is. It's a very simple one. That means by which number you have to multiply to get the answer. Minus 1 will be multiplied by which number to get the answer minus 22. Okay, so that answer is obviously 22. Plus 22 will be multiplied with minus 1 to get the answer minus 22. In the same way, second part of the question we are having 37, isn't it? So dear student, here 37 is a number, okay, plus 37. So here some error will be there. Why the error shows? Because answer 37 should be there, it is asking, and we have to multiply minus 1 with such a number to get plus 37. So it will be minus 37 will be multiplied. Here in the place of math error, processing error, what you have to do over here, you have to write the answer in place of the B part. Please note down the answer as, when the number minus 1 will be multiplied with minus 37 to get the answer plus 37. This will be the answer for the B part. Okay. In the same way, for the C part, when 0 will be multiplied with minus 1, we will get the answer 0. Clear everyone? So for the B part, you have to write the answer which is shown on the screen. Clear? Next. Next question, fourth. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing same pattern to show. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to 1. So we have to answer it. When minus 1 will be multiplied with 5, you will get the answer minus 5. When minus 1 will be multiplied with 4, you will get the answer minus 4. When minus 1 will be multiplied with 3, minus 3. Then minus 1 multiplied with 2, minus 2. When minus 1 will be multiplied with 1, the answer will be minus 1. And in the last, when minus 1 will be multiplied with 0, the answer is 0 itself, isn't it? Now, how to get minus 4? When minus 5 will be subtracted with, when minus 5 will be added with 1, it will be minus 4 itself. Then how we will get minus 3? Minus 4 plus 1 is equals to minus 3. Then how you will get minus 2? Minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 2. Then how you will get minus 1? That means minus 2 plus 1 is equals to minus 1. Then how you will get 0? That is minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Thus minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to 0 plus 1 into 1. This is the required answer you will get. Clear everyone? Hope you people understood this question. So dear student, tomorrow we will going to do question number 5th. Find the product using suitable properties. Okay, today we are ending this video. Tomorrow we are going to see the question number 5. Find the product using the suitable property. Clear? So for today, thank you everyone.